Hi friends, welcome back in your math channel, Maths in Nutshell by Mahesh Sen. Today we are going to start the question number 3, part 4 in this VLP. Okay, so in this video we are having the taxi charges city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered by a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge of rupees 105. Okay, so there are two types of the problems are here. We generally have the taxi fare, and in this taxi fare we have the some fixed charge and charge per kilometer for a journey. The second condition is for a journey of the 15 kilometers, see charging is 155 rupees. So there are two conditions. First condition 10 rupees, 10 kilometers 105 rupees paying, and 15 kilometers 155 rupees paying. So what are the fixed charge and what are the charge per kilometer, and how does a person have to pay if he or she will travel the 25 kilometers in this video. Okay, so guys, you have hired the Uber or many kind of the taxi or auto rickshaw also in your going to one place to another place. So we have generally the basically you're going from one place to another place, so you generally have the charge. If you notice, you have the fixed charge taken by the person, and the second one is the charge per kilometer, how kilometer you are going. So we have the two quantities here, so we take it, let the fixed charge be rupees x. Okay, so we have to find both the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer. So fixed charge you can take x kilometer per hour. Okay, let the charge be x rupees x kilometer. Okay, so fixed charge be rupees x and the charge per kilometer. So you can write here the charge per kilometer is rupees y. Okay, so there are two conditions x and y we are taken here. Now you have to think over this. The fixed charge is your fixed charge is your fixed. Okay, so you're paying the fixed charge, that is x rupees, and the charge you are paying for 10 kilometers, both will be equal to 105 rupees. Okay, so you can write here now according to condition that the fixed charge plus charge per kilometer is equal to 105 rupees. Okay, so these two conditions are there. So you can write here x is the fixed charge and y is the charge per kilometer. So you are going 10 kilometers, so you are writing x plus 10, y is equals to 105. After this, guys, you can see here, this is very simple way, the x plus 10y equals to 105. In the same way, we have the second condition also. This time you are going for 15 kilometers, and the 15 kilometers you are paying the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer. So you have x plus 15y is equal to 155. This will be your equation number 2. So guys, equation 1 and 2 are clear to you because the 10 kilometer and 15 kilometers you are going and you are paying some amount of the money that is given 105 and 155 rupees. Up now the condition is same. The first and second equation we got. Now you have to find out the solution, or you can say the value of x and y by substitution method only. Okay, you can also apply the elimination method, you can also cross multiplication, but guys, I will suggest you in this particular exercise we are practicing only by substitution method, so we are doing this. Okay, otherwise we will have the open platform here to solve by elimination method also. That will be easier, I think, if you will solve by that. Okay, in the coming up videos I will have the elimination method also. So let here the substitution method. So we are doing equation number 1, x plus 10y equals to 105, x equals to 105 minus 10y, and x, this is the value of x basically, and we generally write it down like the value of x is 105 minus 10y. We will substitute this in the equation number 2, as we know that this is the equation number 3. Now guys, what is equation number 2 we have given? We have to put here the equation number 2. So x plus basically x plus 15y is equals to 55 is the equation, and we'll put the value of x here in this equation. X plus 15y equals to 155. Right, so let's have put the value x plus 15y is equals to 155 x is 10 105 minus 10y. At the place of x you can put here, yeah. So 105 minus 10y plus 15y, as it is you will copy down, is equal to 155. Right. Now after this you have to solve. So we have the two terms of the y and one term of the x, constant term. So constant will go to the constant within the right hand side, and the 10y minus 10y and 15 10y will be operation here, the plus minus minus. So 10y my plus 15y is equals to 155. This is fine. Now just solve this. 10y minus 10y plus 15y is plus 5y. Okay, so I will write here plus 5y is equals to 155 minus 105. So when you are subtracting this 105 from 155, you will get 50, and y equals to 50 upon 5, that will be 10. Okay guys, so you can see here the x is 105 minus 10y. We'll put the value of y equal to 10 in the equation number 3, and we'll get the value of x here, right? Chalo, now see what will be the value of x. We'll put here. So put the value of y, that is 10, in equation number 3, so that you people can get the answer. Alright, chalo, likho. Put the value of y equals to 10 in equation 3. Okay, you have to mention everything in equation number 3. So your answer will be x equal to 105 minus 10y. What is the value of y? So put here x plus 105 minus 10 into 10, because the value of y is 10 here. So x will be 10 into 10, 100. So 105 minus 100 is 5. So simply we are getting the value of x here. That is very simple. X equals to 5 and y equals to 10. By this way you are getting the answer. Hence you just write in the last, hence the fixed charge taken by the charge auto rickshaw or the Uber or any rented cafe cab, you can say the charge, fixed charge is rupees x, that is rupees 5, and the subsequent distance you are traveling, that is called per kilometer, that is rupees 10, right? So fixed charge is 5, per kilometer charge is 10 rupees. And we have one more problem, the second part of this. So when you are getting x and y, you are going for 1. He is saying what will be the charge you are paying for yes, 25 kilometers. So we know that how many kilometers you are traveling, 25 kilometers. That, so put the value of this x and y and make the equation and solve it. So my equation will be the charge for 25 kilometers will be x plus 25y, because x is the fixed part, price, and 25 kilometer, and y will be there. So x is 5 plus 25 into 10. So 5 plus 25 into 10 is 250, and in this way I am getting here 250 plus 5 is 255. So by guys, 255 rupees you are paying for 25 kilometers. I hope so you understood the equations and the questions and answer. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.